Hi, my name's Alison Farrar. I'm a Chartered Trading Standards practitioner and I'm lead officer for communications for Trading Standards Wales. As part of that role, I think it's really important to tell everybody about the kind of work that Trading Standards do. It's important for consumers to know where to go to find out about their rights. It's important for businesses to know where to go to find out about their obligations and their rights as well, to help them stop being scammed. It's really important for people to understand that Trading Standards, just because you don't see us, we might be doing some work behind the scenes, but actually we've had a hand in almost everything that you do, especially with the cost of living crisis coming up. We're just thinking about everything. We're thinking about the cost of food, the cost of petrol, the cost of fuel, absolutely everything that you might come across as a consumer or a business. Trading Standards has had something to do with it, whether it's working with avian flu, whether it's working with cost of petrol, whether it's working with the cost of electricity. Trading Standards are really busy working behind the scenes. So during Trading Standards Wales Week, we want to highlight everything that we do as a profession so that you understand what's going on. So we are Trading Standards Wales.